Connor and Gavin. This is Grandpa Kinsey. I'm at a construction site near where I work, and I saw all these big trucks, and I just thought they were so cool. And I'm thinking of you, wishing you guys were here to watch this with me. Here comes a big yellow truck. Look how cool this is. Look how big this truck is. It's a big yellow truck. He's full of dirt. Full of dirt. Now he's gonna back up. He's gonna back up down into this hole and dump this big, huge load of dirt. Big yellow dump truck. Big yellow dump truck. He's going forward. He just kind of missed it a little bit. He's gonna come back. He's coming back. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes down in the hole. It's very cold out here, by the way. Down in the hole. Down in the hole. Down in the hole. See if I can get him dumping the dirt. Oh, here we go. Okay, here he goes. Here he goes. He's gonna dump it. Here he goes. Going up. Hear it? There goes all the dirt. I'm filming for my grandson. He's in Richmond. I'm going to send him this and tell him to come down. So there it is. And there's a big backhoe, and he takes the dirt and he puts it from one place into another place. He's got a big scoop. Here comes another truck. Here comes another truck. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Big, big, big yellow truck. Dump truck. Here he goes. Here he goes. Now he's gonna dump it. He is gonna dump it. There he goes. Oh, there goes the bulldozer. Whoa, how cool is that? The truck and the bulldozer and the backhoe. Oh. How cool. Connor, I wish you and I and Gavin could sit here for a couple of hours and just watch these guys. He just invited us to come down and watch. So maybe we can do that sometime. All right, there's the backhoe. He's scooping and scraping and scooping. There he goes. There he goes. Scoop it from here. Pick it up there. Move over. Scoop it there. And move it over there. He's just kind of pushing that. He's not even scooping, he's just pushing. Okay, here comes another truck. There goes the bulldozer back there, and here comes another truck. Here comes another big yellow dump truck. Big yellow dump truck. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. There goes the dirt. Lots of dirt. Ooh. There he goes. Drives away. Drives away. And there comes another one. So they're just moving the dirt from way over there down to here. All right, Connor and Gavin, I love you. I'm gonna send this to you. Maybe you can come down and watch sometime. Love you, bye-bye.